Gotta get on roller coasters?
Never get on it.
Mommy, the swings are fun.
4th of July at Busch Gardens. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hey. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Oh. Say hey, Nova.
Hey,
What?
I'm a pet.
You a pet?
I'm a pig.
You a pig.
Hey, make that noise.
Hey, Nova. Hey, Pumpkin Pop. Hi.
Oh no.
The star of my show. Let's see. What did I say?
Welcome to the world's most. Yeah, what is this break?
You're just excited talking about you scared.
No, I am scared to go down.
No, you're excited.
I am excited about skate.
Hey, Namir. Are you excited? You gonna get on roller coasters? Oh, yes. Carter. Come here.
Where's Vern? Is he still on?
Are you gonna get on roller coasters?
Oh, is he on his break?
Come on, guys. You too. Got a baby. Pizza baby. Ooh, it's kind of giving Disney or something. It is so hot out here, guys. It's like 100+ degrees. Are you hot, Pumpkin? You say hi. You say hi. Hey, girl. Nova's getting on her first roller coaster ever. Woo. My baby like that, boy. Hi, Nova. Hi, Pumpkin. Hey, Namir. Yes, Carter first roller coaster. Roller coaster.
I want to get on with you. I don't sweat.
Carter. Look. See, it goes so slow. Look at those little kids on there. Fault's clear.
Not bad. Have fun. How you doing?
See you when it's over. Bye.
How was it? It was fun. You liked it? You looked scared to me. You looked scared to me.
It's fun. Carter, you gonna get on there with us? Oh, this is the next one. Oh, our mom's coming.
I would never get on it.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. You want daddy?
It's fun.
That's the pool inside roller coaster.
Dad.
But you have to walk up the hill and go around.
Kalani, look at mama. Oh my goodness, I know who knows. Oh my goodness. It's drawing the what you call it sign. You hot?
Hot.
Burning up?
Mm-hmm.
Would you ever do this again on a day like this? Ooh, you real sweaty. Jesus Christ.
Never again when
Never
it's
again.
Never again.
I'm happy I ain't put my wig on. Jesus Christ.
Mom, look at the fireworks. Oh, there you go.
That's
That's a deer. It looks like the flag. Mommy, the swings are fun.
look. It's an airplane.
Yeah, okay.
A 1 hour drive turned into 3, and we were stuck in the middle of the bridge on the way home, but we did make it home safe.